Good morning to all of you. I am Ashwini Garg on behalf of Surya School. Today I will discuss about the topic of the importance of staffing, class 12. Importance of staffing. The first importance of staffing is helpful in obtaining and discovering the competent personnel, helpful in better performance, helpful in continuous survival and growth of the enterprise, helpful in optimum utilization of human resources, and the last one importance of the staffing is helpful in job satisfaction and morale of employees. There are 5 types of the importance of the staffing: helpful in obtaining and discovering competent person, helpful in better performance, helpful in continuous survival and growth of the enterprise, helpful in optimum utilization of human resources, and last one is helpful in job satisfaction and morale of employees. Now we will discuss about the importance of staffing one by one. Now the first importance of staffing is helpful in discovering and obtaining competent personnel. It is the first importance of staffing that it helps us to discover and obtaining the competent person in the business organization. With the help of staffing, we appoint the competent person and fill our vacant post in the business organization. In staffing, we use recruitment as well as selection for the fulfilling the vacant post in the business organization. With the help of staffing, we discover the competent person as well as obtain the competent person to fill the vacant post in the business organization. With the help of recruitment, we stimulate the candidate to apply for the job. रिक्रूटमेंट में हम कैंडिडेट को एनकरेज करते हैं, स्टिमुलेट करते हैं कि वो हमारी जितनी भी वैकेंट पोस्ट है उसके लिए अप्लाई करे. एंड इन सिलेक्शन वी अपॉइंट द बेस्ट कैंडिडेट out of the number of candidates which are suitable for the business organization. So with the help of the recruitment and selection, staffing play a very important role in discovering and obtaining the competent personnel. So it is the first importance of staffing. Now second importance of staffing is that helpful in better performance. The head point indicate that helpful in better performance. Better performance means the work will be complete in the effective way as well as the efficient way. Means the time will require minimum as well as the cost will be minimum. So it is known as the better performance. Now staffing play a very important role in increase the performance of the employee, because in staffing right person will be appointed at the right place, right job, as well as according to the interest of the candidate. When a particular job will be provided to the candidate according to the interest, then they will perform their work with effective way and in efficient way. Means that our cost will be minimized, as well as the quality of the production will always good. So staffing play a very important role in improve the organizational performance as well as the employees performance. Why? Because in staffing we appoint the competent person on the vacant post, as well as we place the right person on the right job. When a particular person assign a right job according to his interest, then he will become the expert and he will provide his work in effective and efficient way. So it is the second importance of the staffing. Now third one is helpful in optimum utilization of human resources. Means staffing play a very important role in the optimum utilization of human resources. There are two types of the resources: physical resources as well as human resources. In staffing we talk about only the human resource, means manpower, but it is very necessary that the appointment of right person will also optimal utilization of the physical resources, machinery, raw material, as well as money. How does staffing play a very important role in the optimum utilization of human resources? Because in staffing the right person will be appointed at the right job, means competent person are appointed to fulfill the vacant post in the business organization. Means स्टाफिंग के अंदर जो भी आपकी वैकेंट पोस्ट है, उस वैकेंट पोस्ट पे कॉम्पिटेंट पर्सन को, राइट पर्सन को राइट जॉब पर हम प्लेस करते हैं. और जब राइट जॉब पर राइट पर्सन को प्लेस किया जाएगा, व्हेन देयर इज ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज एज वेल एज द फिजिकल रिसोर्सेज, मींस दैट on the basis of the right person should be placed at the right job, then the person will become expert for his work and there should be never any type of the duplicity of the work as well as no wastage of the any activity. Means with the help of staffing, when we appoint the best candidate on the vacant post, then everything will be assigned to a particular person and perform their work in a definite way. Then there is no chance of the duplicity of work as well as there is no wastage of the resources. So the optimum utilization of the human resources will be possible. It is the third importance of the staffing. Now fourth one is helpful in continuous survival and growth of the enterprise. Staffing play a very important role in the continuous survival of the organization as well as the growth of the business. Thus, continuous survival means the expansion of the business, modernization of the business, as well as the diversification of the business. Expansion means we will expand our business from small scale to large scale. Modernization means we move from the old technique to the new technique. And in diversification, we will produce more than one product in the business. All those form is known as the survival and the growth of the business. All these form will depend on the supreme quality of the human asset. Human assets are those assets which are not shown in the balance sheet, but they play a very important role in the survival of the business organization. Because if our human asset of the supreme quality, then employees of the organization, worker of the organization, as well as manager of the organization will perform their task very effective and efficient way. In future, they will be capable to face any situation in systematic way and efficient way. So with the help of staffing, we appoint the best candidate, means human asset of our organization is supreme quality. Then it is possible for the organization to continue survival and growth of the enterprise. So staffing play a very important role in the continuous survival and growth of the enterprise after the appointment of competent person of the vacant post. So it is the importance of the staffing. Now last importance of staffing is that helpful in job satisfaction and improve the moral of the employees. Means that it is the last importance of the staffing that it provides a job satisfaction. Job satisfaction where the employees will perform their task, and improve the moral of the employees means that motivate the employee. With the help of staffing, when we assign a particular job according to the interest of the candidate and appoint him on the job, then the particular employee will always feel an important part of the organization. कभी भी बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप एम्प्लॉयज को किसी भी टाइप के डिसीजन में इन्वॉल्व करते हो, या फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप एम्प्लॉयज को उसके इंटरेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग जॉब असाइन करते हो, तो अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मोटिवेट फील करता है, अपनी जॉब से सेटिस्फाई होगा. As well as in business organization, we will make various type of the policy under the staffing, like as promotion policy, transfer policy, as well as training and development policy. All these policy will play a very important role in job satisfaction and the moral of the employee. With the help of promotion policy, every person know about that if they will perform their better work, then they will be promoted the higher post. As well as in transfer policy, if a particular employee will perform better work, then there are better opportunity for the employee to transfer in other department, as well as in same organization, other branch of the organization. As well as we provide training to the employees in a particular field, as well as the development of the employee will make possible when we will provide complete information about the organization, like finance, marketing, HR, production. So with the help of staffing, all the policy will perform in our organization. In this way, the job satisfaction of the employee will improve, as well as the moral of the employee will also improve. So it is all about the importance of the staffing. The complete importance staffing I explained. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.